Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of High Five with Nick.
How dare you? तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए बिना इस वीडियो को देखो. Not fair.
In today's video, I'm gonna be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to do salon-like cleanup at the comfort of your home. Follow this 5-step procedure to ensure you glow like a star. Regular salon visits are bound to burn a hole in your pocket. It's time to save some extra bucks and follow these cleanup steps that will impart a healthy and natural glow to your skin. So that was it for today's video, you guys. If you liked the video, do share it with your friends as well. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, spread happiness. I love you all. Bye.